Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today also how to draw the studio object in AutoCAD software. So we are going to start. Now I'm at first taking the line command, taking a line 5 and upwards should be also 5. Right button is click enter. Then taking line again and draw a line downwards. It will be also 5. Right button click enter. Now I'm going here, center radius circle is taking. The first circle is 2 units and the second circle is taking also in 3. Similarly, I am drawing here same radius 2. I can use also the offset 1 distance will be upwards and that button is click and that button is click. Taking the input the circle is taken, one circle is 2, right button is click, again circle, taking this one is the 3. In different way we can draw it by using the offset or taking the command. Now I'm taking another circle, going here, taking the 10 10 10, so one click, another click and another click, and offset is getting and taking this as the 0.5, selecting this one, then inside. Right, after that, going here, center radius is taken and sketch a circle from here to here. Okay, done. And taking a circle, going here, uh, I'm taking a circle 10 10 radius, one click, another click, and radius will be 5. Similarly, taking this one click, another click, and taking this one to 5. Okay, done. See, then selecting this one, this one, and this one. Delete from the keyboard. Okay, then going here and trim command is selecting, right button is click here, then trim it, trim it, trim it, trim this one, this one, this one, and also trim this one. Now see, the object is done. Escape from the keyboard. Now I want to apply the H command, going here, H, selecting, and I'm going here and taking the yellow, and I'm selecting this circle, this circle, and this circle. Close it. Going to the hash again. I'm going here, selecting this one, cyan, and this one, and here. Then close it. Now see, selecting this one, and M for move, and I'm moving up to here. The object is done. Everybody watching this one, I think got it how to sketch it. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. The Redesign Engineering